AI is touching every part of our lives, and the food that ends up on our tables is no different. But could the tech really help farmers transform the way that they produce crops? Our correspondent in India, Archana Shukla, has been finding out.
Indian farmers have traditionally relied upon generational wisdom and experience to make decisions on the field, but are now faced with climate change and ever-depleting resources. So the need is for them to have efficient and more sustainable solutions. Informed decision-making is only one part of the solution to improve productivity, but weeding out inefficiencies in the existing age-old agricultural practices is also crucial. This robot is helping farmers save major costs on fertilizer and pesticides. Built in India's Silicon Valley, Bangalore, by startup Niqo Robotics, the machine makes spraying of agri-chemicals more efficient. Jay, you're doing some precision spraying here. Can you just explain to us this technology and how the cameras, etc. work here?
Yeah, so if you see this specific field here, there's a lot of distance between two rows, and even between two plants, there's significant distance where there is nothing to be sprayed. So as the sprayer moves, the camera real-time detects where should the spray be applied, specifically on the plant, and it turns off the nozzles where there's no plants.
And that saves over 50% of costs on chemicals. Niqo sprayers are deployed on 50 farms across the country, but are limited to just 7 crops so far. That's because the machine needs volumes of data, which are photos of the plant in this case, to learn from and build models for each crop.
Over the last 5 years, we have captured about 8.2 million images across 7 crops. And not only that, the number is impressive, but how varied is the data set? In our case, we have seen how the plant looks at 7 in the morning versus 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. is very different. They're almost like different plants.
More such technology is reaching Indian farms, thanks to improved rural digital connectivity and government support for agri-tech startups. But the promise of profitability through data-driven farming needs significant time and investment to reach majority of India's farmers.